Ocean acidification has already led to a decline in coral reef growth. It's a well-known fact in the science community that coral reef growth worldwide has been slowing down for years, but no one has been sure why. A study published Wednesday in Nature measured the growth of coral reefs in pre-industrial conditions when carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere were much lower. Results of the study directly points to a single culprit behind slowing coral growth: ocean acidification. 40% of the carbon dioxide in our Earth's atmosphere is absorbed by oceans. CO2 forms carbonic acid in water and free hydrogen ions, leading to higher ocean acidity. Over the past 2 centuries, the ocean's average pH has dropped from 8.2 to 8.1. Since the pH scale is logarithmic, a jump from pH 8.2 to pH 8.1 is a significant 26% increase in acidity. Coral uses carbonate ions to build their skeletons, but hydrogen ions released after the formation of carbonic acid binds to carbonate, forming bicarbonate. This leads to a deficit of carbonate ions in oceans. A recent study in Australia's Great Barrier Reef confirmed the effects of ocean acidification. Scientists pumped sodium hydroxide, a base, into the water and showed that coral grew faster in less acidic water. Protecting coral reefs from acidification is crucial. They're home to 800 coral species and 4,000 species of fish, which is more than 25% of the world's fish species. Until Wednesday's study, it wasn't clear what exactly causes the slowdown in coral reef growth worldwide, because various factors like warming oceans and pollution are known to impact coral reefs. But now it's pretty clear what could eliminate some of this slowdown in coral growth: reducing carbon emissions in our Earth's atmosphere. See a story that really should be animated? Suggest stories to Tomo News now.